Hi, and welcome to today's Kipcon Minute. Yesterday I was out at a community, I was looking at the decks, and I thought I would continue on and give you some more information about these decks and the problems that we run into. As I mentioned, one of the critical problems with these decks is the connection of the handrails to the deck itself. The code is very specific in terms of how much load these handrails can take, and they must be designed and attached to reflect that amount of load. Let me give you an example of some of the problems you see. Here you have an end joist. It looks like a 2x8 that runs from the building to the outside over this beam. And now you have a handrail post right in the middle that's face nailed at the bottom and has one bolt at the top. So you would imagine that as you push out on that handrail at the top, you'd create forces at the bottom. So you wonder, how is it connected? Now let's go on the inside and take a look, keeping in mind that this joist, the 2x8, is really not designed to take a force on the side, and you would think there would be a beam connecting it, such as a spacer like this at the post. But here on the inside of the post, there's nothing. So if somebody pushes on that handrail post on the top, it will cause a twisting of this beam at the bottom. Keep in mind that code requirements have changed, and at the time that this was constructed, it may have been constructed in conformance with the building code, but it may not be adequate to support the loads that are required by the current day building code. Decks are very important. Take a look at them, make sure they're on your reserve study, and make sure that they're safe. Have a great day. This is Mitch.